Good morning, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I am here this early morning to go through some of the propaganda going on, and it is very important that you join me if you have the time, because I know this hour is quite it's too early for some of you, but because of my absence yesterday on social media, I was not all that active. I was able to just published just few videos. I was very busy, so I couldn't stream yesterday. Today is 16th of December 2024. So this morning I am here to react on a video and on things that matter to us actually. I published a video where I respond to some of the problem, some of the propaganda going on against our people, against us in general. And that propaganda is coming from people who we once hold in high esteem. People that we trusted, hoping that they are genuine, but they have decided to prove us otherwise. So there are some videos that I want to share with us. I don't know how possible it will be, but I will start by this post made by Sonny Akbarawa. All right. I told us that we'll be punching some of the bubbles, because thing that will say, oh, they have paid him, they have bought him over. I care less, my brother. My own is that my conscience matters a lot to me. So this post from this Cool TV, he said, who are behind Soludo's launching new terrorists in United States of Biafra? As you can see here, Operation Udogachi. History has finally repeated itself. So, being that this guy has been very, steadfast in making sure that he stopped the lies and propaganda going on every day and night. I follow him, I follow everybody. I listen to everybody. But I can tell you that he's man enough, to be honest with you. Sonny Akbarawa did not take it lightly, what he said, ask your Madam COS. You see this guy, this Sonny Akbarawa. Sonny has gotten to a level that even if rain beat him today, you ask him, Sonny, what happened? Why are you walking under rain? Why did you allow yourself to be beat up by rain? You don't have umbrella or any shelter to safeguard you. He'll tell you that don't mind this rain. I was caught in by surprise that this rain beat me up because of COS. Everything is COS. A matured man, somebody that everybody respected, and he don't. Oh God. Anyway, let's continue, because I don't want to say something here. Anyway, please, I encourage you to like the video if you can, because I don't know who is watching me at the moment. I don't know anybody. I feel that some of you, I don't know who is who, to be honest with you. Like I always say, I don't trust anybody. I'm not saying you should trust me either. Okay? But the truth of the matter is that we need to say it the way it is. You may not like it, but truth must prevail. So like the video and comment. Tell me where you're watching from this early morning. I have not streamed, by this hour before on this platform. Never. I have not. So I would like to know how many of us managed to be here this early morning. Anyway, morning from different land, because I don't know where you're watching from. You could be afternoon or evening or morning as well in your time. So like the video and comment. So I want to know where you're watching from, and I want to know who is here with me this hour. He said, "You are working for her, yet you don't know her plans." Itiborebo. I am seeing a lot of insult. This is one of the things that I hate from this guy recently. This is one of the things that he says that makes me, go, wow. If you can do this now, who knows what you are going to do next? Since we stopped her from penetrating Biafran army, which is not under her control, but somehow under your control, isn't it? She has alleged with Nigerian politicians, blackmail, lies, and propaganda to set up a counter group of army to blackmail Biafran army. These people can go at any length to drag power and position. Your eyes will open soon, but continue to make money online while it lasts. That is another thing here. This is your style of asking people to continue making money online, coming from you, that your platform has been monetized 2 times, right? Since when making money online because it has become an issue? This is to tell you that they can go at any length to make sure that they prove a point, which I don't know. And it's unfortunate. Now, according to his claim here, the chief of staff is working with government to plan to set up a counter army. So that they equal like that. Nobody got to, wow, Chineke going for Azubakwa, Ogene Nation. You know how people now, they will react in a way that you will say, okay, that this thing could be true. But it's not. Even if COS is going to have that kind of plan, one to be sure of what you're saying. And anybody that studies Igbo people that know how we behave, we know that this kind of move is not going to yield any good fruit, because our people are the people that we are from people that you must tell us everything before we believe you. We must see before we believe you. We must actually, feel it before we believe you. That is how our people are being wired. We are not known for follow. No, not at all. You have to prove it. You have to give Biafrans reason to believe what you're saying. I listened to one of our brothers that called me, when we were having program 2 days ago, and he said something that our people are not going to listen to anybody, that only Igbo people can do, if you tell them, for example, that they should not carry ahike to Singapore, they would like to do it. They will tell you, because the person that fall the victim that they're talking about don't know what's up. Person don't know what's up. He believed that he will do it. He will go and do it. Once he go there, and if they hold him, his eyes will be cleared. He will understand what he has done. Where that place, everything will become real to him. That's our people. So all these cooking up stories is not going to move anybody. We have seen it in the past, of course. I know Sonny is somehow new to the whole thing, even though once one thing about black people is that if they find opportunity, they feel that they know that person is bigger than them, they are the best. You should not listen to them and all that. Somebody who claimed they're following PM, they are fighting for Biafra and everything. They are fighting for Biafra, isn't it? And the person that they are following, which is PM, have made it clear that this person is no longer he's no longer working for them. You welcome the person in your program. And the annoying part is that they're defending it. They're defending it. If you make a comment, they will start telling you how the guy saved somebody when IPOB called their name, when IPOB called their names and all that, when their life were in danger, then that he saved them. I don't know how true is that. But PM know that we are talking about and he banned him. And you are now proving that. Remember, we are shouting PM, right? Remember, you are now proving what you are doing now. You are now proving to people that PM, is wrong for questioning the guy. I'm talking about Gaddafi. Because I know some of you may say, who is he talking about? I am still talking about Gaddafi. I don't know this lady, but I've watched, I have listened to some of her posts. This lady called Eunice. Eunice. I don't know her. I don't actually need to know her. But some of our people, when you see them, they post that like somebody who actually know what they're doing. They look so somehow, genuine. But when they act, you will be like, wow, is this what I got myself into? I will help you all to post the video. If you like, post it and analyze it for 1,000 years. The fact remains that you are madam. You see? So we are no more talking about the video. And people with questionable character. You said you want to post video. If they like, let them analyze this 1,000 years. Then all of a sudden, you are not moving from that video to start talking about madam. And you're a woman too. If you like, you post it, analyze it for 1,000 years. That's another insubordination. Meaning that I don't care what PM said, I don't care what he said, I don't care that he banned this guy, I don't care anything. No. All I can care is your madam. The fact remains that your madam, you must bow, remain a more. Now, you must bow to what? If you don't bow to the authority, then why are you talking about having a government? Some people think that you are insulting Igbo people. If you see bowing as an insult, then what are you talking about building a government? You should join IPOB, who registered as a company. Even though they are also shouting bow on their own head as well. That is, you must follow structure and all that. Yeah, you have to bow to the supreme leader of in the DOS, not Mazaman Kano here. I'm talking about those who claim they are the one that some people say that I'm Obiana. If you come for me under my comment section because of the truth I stand on, truth. Everybody claim they are standing on the truth. Every one. Why knowing fully where they are lying on? They are lying because I'm going to release a video of another Biafran Liberation Army commander on our main platform, setting the record to tell you that the commander and the armies of Biafra have been divided. You listen to Holy Ghost telling you that Sonak Barawa, another Rama is a criminal, is wrong and all that. Then Wasana Barawa is a reverend father, a pastor, bishop, prophet, and all that. Another army commander, or I don't know if he's commander, but I believe he's a commander. Yes, I believe he's a commander. Have come out and made a video, which I'm going to release on our main platform. Not here. If you just, here is Kai Report News. Our second platform is Kai Report. Go there and subscribe if you have not, so that you follow the information. He says something which I'm not going to say here because you can, if you have brain, you will be able to connect what Holy Ghost said and what he's saying. and what Sonak Marawa and his camp are saying. Because since they started to come out to commit users on social media, they have been saying this time with that number that they are the one in contact with women on ground, that they block her, they block her. All this is a fallacy. And that army, that liberation army, we after listen to him, you are going to understand why I said that it's a fallacy. It's a lie from pit of hell. Now hear what, because and I don't have time to waste. I'm being honest. I don't have time to waste. Hear what happened here. This video that she said she's gonna share. Listen.
The overdose of this idiot. Why won't the boy get together now? This is the time. Or when I want to go, and of together, this is the time. All the Biafrans will come together with one voice. To be sincere. And I'm a backward to the never another. Can I get together with one voice? Can I the whole Biafrans get together with one voice? Now you made it these people. If not, who will them achieve them on our cane? Because now, when people lose, never wanna, I have nobody. Not here. It's all a woman. Never see Anya. I'm a Abagombo, and when you keep on. You know that overdose, just weekend. Or the overdose of this idiot. Why won't the boy get together now? This is the time. Or when I want to go, and of together, this is the time. All the Biafrans will come together with one voice. To be sincere. And I'm a backward to never another. Can I get together with one voice? Can I the whole Biafrans get together with one voice? Now you made it these people. If not, who will them achieve them on our cane? Because now, when people lose, never wanna, I have nobody. Who will not here? It's all a woman. Never see Anya. I'm a Abagombo, and when you keep on.
So this, if you listen to that drama here, you can see that she's speaking from heart of her heart, like her innermost being. She's pouring out how she feels with the grief about the situation of things. And somebody, a fellow woman, is here bragging. And let me help you and share it as if what is in your palm. That thing that drama is crying for, you may be a partaker. You never tell. But their own is just like, you see, we often talk about somebody who claimed that if PM2 is to get Biafra, let it not come at all, right? It's not about that guy. We have a lot of them here. Why they hate CS so much is because it seems like this lady is chewing more, is biting more than she can chew, right? That's what they think. That how can she do that? How can she do that when I'm a man? Then you see a woman out of jealousy. Always, you always, even if you like, if you're not gonna come out today, they will still fight him. The same thing with PM. People that can, if they see Jesus again, they will crucify him. You understand? This is something very, very, very important that everybody needs to pay close attention to that. The Gaddafi that they are painting, trying to do damage control, that, oh, he's a Biafran, he has no problem about it. In Agwanumoko, isn't it? Here is a post of Gaddafi. Okay? This is one of his posts. Insult him without holding anywhere back. Gaddafi the Great. The Great. When I called him liar, PMO Gente, this happened April this year, April 2024. He made a post like this. When I called him a liar, here is the evidence. More are still coming against you, PM. Then you see Sana Barawa telling you that he's holding and he's holding a gate for PM. And when you listen to his hype man, Ndị Amobiara. And why am I even talking about? That one have already. He just he's living on second chance they gave to him, and the whole thing is moving very fine for him, right? Every Biafrans are following, everybody is following. So, and that's why if you approach them as a broadcaster, they will kick you out. They will do everything to stop you because you're posing threat on the camp or the business. Here is listen to this. This is a post that PM made. This guy used that against PM publicly without holding back. Just few months ago. And so now Barawa is here justifying that he's a Biafran. A Biafran can donate. Then he asked Sona Barawa, before PM, went in to answer questions and interrogation or investigation. I don't know what they call that. That's not the issue. Do you have you conducted another fundraiser before? Like, have you guys conduct fundraising then after the second of Gaddafi? Yes, right? Why is it that Gaddafi did not appear all this while? Only now. They want to downplay it as a no problem, no problem. In a color that. In a color that, isn't it? And the same guy is telling you that the Biafrans betrayed Ochuku, betrayed Gowon, betrayed Ochuku, betrayed was Rick. Next thing that if you catch him, he will start telling you that you're a content creator. Then that tells you that they could be the one that initiated the idea that the Nigerian government are using, Nigerian looking for one thing, gather together to drag, to divide. Anybody that climb up there, the only time that you know that they are in unity is when it has to do with bringing people down. Then they are all in unity. They will unify to do that. But when it has to do with something meaningful that will profit our people, they will start having insight. Then they know how to plant seed of segregation and separation. As long as it has to do with somebody on top, because today, DOS